Change is one of the elements that most define us as human beings, a constant in our lives that allows us to move forward. And now is the time to make a change, to imagine the future we want, and shape it to take care of ourselves and protect the planet. From metal industry Anro, and with more than 60 years of experience as one of the main builders of unique metal structures at a national and international level, Anrotech was born with the aim of creating solutions so that saving and optimizing time, caring for the environment, and adaptation to modernity are superimposed on problems such as pollution, traffic, or difficulty of mobility in large cities. With a unique and innovative parking system, expandable, removable, and reusable, designed to mark a before and after in our way of moving around, Anrotech comes up with the most sustainable way to end the waste of time and economic resources when looking for parking, looking towards the future. Eliminating the need to drive to our destination, Anrotech provides a solution to the future of parkings, starting from the drone vehicle transport from our home to an Anrotech parking lot that has a hub of different means of transport, where the users will be able to access electric cars, bicycles, public transport, or any means to reach their destination in the heart of the city, helping to create a cleaner, less congested, and above all, more accessible environment. In a society where time is becoming more and more valuable, to perform to the fullest, walk towards success, and most importantly, to be with our own, we need solutions that allow us to change and achieve the life we want on a better planet. Anrotech, we build the foundations of a future that is already here. The change is now.